Do a video on animals, so let's get started. First, my spirit animal is a wolf or a shark. What's your favorite animal? Put it in the comment below after this video is done. So guys, what's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a wolf, chimpanzee, and a monkey. I will give you a picture of a wolf and an ermine. An ermine is also my favorite. Hold on. So guys, that's a wolf. Guys, all you have to do is this to see the ermine. Boom! The ermine's in the snow. Ermines is quick weasels that can fit into tight holes, and they are predators and prey. Eagles eat them, and they eat mice and rats. So guys, the order for the animals to survive: be healthy, keep the water clean, don't pollute, especially, and don't waste water. See you later, guys.